Here are my top 3 tips to becoming an effective and successful yoga teacher. 1. Invest in yourself. Find really good teachers and get the proper training and certification. That means at least the minimum 200-hour yoga teacher training and any other advanced or specific style training, such as Ashtanga, meditation, restorative, yin, and the like. Explore and find what styles really call to you and dive deeper to build your expertise and your knowledge. Number 2. The number one advice I give to any new teacher is to teach, teach, teach. Your students are going to be your greatest teachers. From everything from how these shapes look in different bodies and at different levels, to how you can adapt poses to those who are working with limitations, such as inflexibility or injuries. You'll also learn that teaching someone in their 70s is going to be very different from how you teach someone in their 20s or 30s. Nothing is going to replace real life teaching experience. So try to teach as much as possible. If you're just starting out and you can't land a teaching gig yet, don't worry. Teach your friends, your families, even at your office. Offer to do free yoga classes in your apartment building, to your community. Find every way and every opportunity for you to teach. And as you teach more and more, the more comfortable you'll be at leading a class, as well as developing your own personal voice and style. Lastly, what will really set you apart from the pack is the love and passion that you have for what you do. If you love what you do, you'll go the extra mile in whatever it is, and you'll easily become an expert. It also shows in how you show up for your students and the energy that you give to them, no matter what you're going through in your personal life, and even if only one person shows up for class. When you deeply care, it translates into every aspect of your being and your teaching. So if you're passionate about yoga and determined to be a teacher, be patient and trust that your passion will lead to success.